Okay, so hey Eltjo, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and where you work and where in the world you're located?
Okay, yeah, sure, Pat. Would love to. So, my name is Eltjo van Gulik. I am 42 years old, and as you can probably hear by my accent and my pronunciation, I'm not a native English speaker. I am actually Dutch. I work for a Dutch company called Rawworks, and I am there the principal consultant for the workspace domain. Furthermore, I am one of the 64 worldwide CDPs, and as a CDP, really gives me the opportunity to gain some deeper insights and participation into Citrix strategies and technologies, such as advanced knowledge of planning projects and technology with Citrix. And as such, as CTPs, we really help to shape the future of Citrix, not only as a company, but also on its journey into the cloud era.
Awesome. Now, you're actually up to present 3 sessions at Converge. Which of those are you going to tell us about today?
I am. So I'm doing 3 sessions, and I wanted to tell you guys a little something about one of the sessions, which is called The Clash of Titans in Automation, Python versus PowerShell.
Wow, that sounds pretty dramatic. What does
that sound? I'm actually presenting that session with one of my colleagues and fellow CTPs, Ryan Verves-Bijkerk. And in that session, we will discuss the 2 titans of the programming language, the 2 big ones, PowerShell and Python. And we will demonstrate how you can use either of these programs to create RESTful APIs and webhooks on the server side. And we'll also show you guys how you can consume APIs with both the languages. We'll show you the similarities and the difference in doing so in both languages.
All right, so this is foundational content that's relevant to pretty much anyone attending Converge.
Oh yes, absolutely, yeah. You know, there are a lot of people who know various PowerShell, and a lot of people who know a lot of Python. You also have the 2 big ones, and we wanted to show you a bit of the similarities and the differences between the 2 programs. Because I'm more a Python guy, and my colleague Ryan is a little bit more into PowerShell than me.
Well, I go old school. I use curl and bash, but there you go.
Curl and bash. Oh, that's a little bit too way back for me, actually.
All right, and while we're here, why don't you just give me a little, a minute or so on your other 2 sessions?
Yeah, of course. We'll be presenting a session called Automating Micro App Development with Azure Devops and CI/CD. And in that session, we will show you how you can leverage Azure Devops and CI/CD pipelines to deploy micro apps. That's also a session I'm presenting with Ryan Verves-Bijkerk. And I'm also presenting a session myself, and it's called Monitoring Citrix Cloud with Odata and PowerShell. And in that, I will show you guys how you can query the Citrix monitoring database to get data yourself. And I'll guide you through the querying process from the authentication all the way up to the data representation.
All right, so I think you definitely win the Citrix Converge Overachiever Award, Eltjo.
Thank you very much.
All right, thanks for that. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye, Pat.